Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this video we will do triceps extension exercise for these muscles back of your arms, your triceps. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you'll be one of the first to see when we update a new video, show a new exercise, etc. Now, the way we're gonna do this exercise, kind of put yourself in the same position the way you did a biceps curl if you've watched that video. If not, it's basically fine, like a couch or armchair or something where you can wrap the rubber band under the foot of that couch, armchair, something like this. Now you're gonna hold the rubber band, wrap it around your wrist, and lift your arms up so your elbows are tucked in towards your kind of head, and they're kind of vertical. Your arms are vertical, right? So start from this position. The further you're away from your couch, the more resistance you're gonna get. So then you can, again, if you stand up, you have more resistance. So just play with it. So in this position, I'm just gonna kind of sit like this on my knees and just slowly get myself, a little bit further away from the couch. Again, keeping the elbows tucked in and arms, more or less parallel, like vertical position and, parallel to each other. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend my elbows up towards the ceiling. And I'm gonna squeeze my triceps as I'm doing it. There, and then slowly gonna come down, doing full range, getting all the way down. And again, if you need a little bit more resistance, you can wrap your wrist a couple maybe more times around the rubber band to get a bit more resistance, and slowly maintain a strict form. And I'm squeezing my triceps there at the top. And yeah, if I feel the resistance maybe not as sufficient enough, stand up, make it a bit harder. There, lean a bit further away from your couch. This way. There. Keep in a good form. Now, I can probably do a few more. So we're gonna assume this is the last one, and I'm gonna try, and I cannot finish. I'm trying, I cannot finish. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna lean forward, kind of just get it on top, get yourself in a perfect position, there, and I'm gonna slowly lower it for 30 seconds. Fight for every inch. 5. Come on, let's achieve that deep exhaustion on the triceps. Stand, come on. 15. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and hold it. 4, 3. So at the end of the set, you shouldn't be able to move it more than an inch and 2 in a good form, right? This is all you can do. And then slowly come down and let go of the rubber band, and we're done. And again, by positioning ourselves properly, we can prioritize our first principle, which is targeting the right muscle, triceps. Second principle, contracting those muscles slowly under control, sequentially recruiting lower to the highest order muscle fibers, and also satisfying our third principle, which is reaching a deep state of muscular exhaustion and satisfying that overload theory, which states the intensity of work has to go beyond what was previously demanded on the muscle. If you like to learn more information about our methodology, go to our website, newelementtraining.com, or shoot us an email, info@newelementtraining.com, if you like perhaps to book a virtual coaching session. Thank you.